guys, it is Friday morning. We are headed into Halloween weekend. Lots of stuff going on. I had a great time last night. We had so much fun. I got to put on another costume, which I love doing. I was a wolf. I put something together super quick, but it was a lot of fun. And some of my patrons dressed up and it was just such a good time. So I am really feeling all of the Halloween vibes right now. Today we have the very last football game of the season that my daughter Madison wants to go to. Not sure about that yet. And I still have more training and just like travel agency work to do and a lot of house cleanup. So that is what is on the agenda today, but I need to get to work this morning and I will catch up with you guys later. Today at school, the kids are wearing their costumes and this is Madison's costume. She's a Bratz doll. Oh, Leo likes the costume. He approves. Show them your shirt. It says Bratz on it. Very cute.
Pink denim jacket, blue skirt, white tights, and my black Phoenix.
Nice.
Oh, I had to get the other night.
Yeah. And Madison's doing this with a group of friends. So how many other girls are wearing the same kind of thing?
4.
Oh, nice. Well, have fun at school today. I just got my selection for November's book of the month that I need to pick. So I have A Little Hope, The Keeper of Night, The Collective, The Family, and How to Marry Keanu Reeves in 90 Days. That one sounds the most interesting to me. And I don't really know if I'm into any of those. So what they do is they give you can either skip the month or you can choose a member fave. And if you skip the month, as far as I know, there's no going back because there were times where I changed my mind and actually wanted a book because I heard about one of the books. So yeah, I'm apprehensive to do that quite yet. But let's see what I can choose from member faves. So there's a lot to choose from there as well. And I need to make my selection. By the way, that's like my favorite book. Home Before Dark was a great one. For lunch, I just made chicken noodle soup with grilled cheese because I am starting to get a little bit of a cold. Everyone in this house had it, and I guess it's my turn. And I am getting ready for my last Disney webinar of the week. I don't know how, with only 4 people in the house, this is the laundry situation daily. It's just crazy. So yeah, I'm back to folding laundry. So in case you're wondering, this is the book that I chose for this month. It is Instructions for Dancing by Nicola Yoon. I read another one of her books that was very good. I think it was called The Sun is Also a Star. And she has a book called Everything, Everything that I want to read eventually as well. But this seemed like the best pick for this month, so I'm excited to receive it in the mail. And this over here is my promo code. So that is always in my link below if you guys want to try out Book of the Month Club. It's a lot of fun. I'm having a little tea time snack, and what is more appropriate this time of year than to have some candy in my Nightmare Before Christmas mug. On to my third load, and I am kind of over it. It's almost 5 o'clock at night. Madison just went to a friend's house. She's having a sleepover tonight with a friend, and I don't have any plans for dinner. I just don't know. We might do takeout or something. I am just tired, and this cold is starting to kick my butt, so kind of just want to get this all done so I can relax. So something that's been taking up quite a bit of my time lately is I've just been working on some social media things because what I want to do is, you guys all know, obviously, I'm a Disney fanatic, and with the travel agency that I work for, I specialize in Disney and Universal, but that's not all that I do. And a lot of people just assume that's all that I do because of the way I guess I put myself out there with all the Disney stuff. So I want to make like a Facebook group page or something, that like an area where I can share other things, where I can share all-inclusive vacations and cruises, Disney cruises, Carnival cruises, Royal Caribbean, just all of those things, and just other types of tropical vacations. I've really been thinking hard on that and trying to come up with like a name for the page and an outline for it and how I want to approach the whole thing. So that's been a lot of fun, you know, a lot of creative energy and stuff there, but it's also been kind of daunting because you know, I'm just really not sure like what I'm going to call it or what I'm going to be sharing. Like I have a general idea. I know of a lot of places I want to share, but yeah. And also that is leading me to kind of play around with travel in other areas that are not Disney. So we have some fun stuff coming up for 2022 that I'm really looking forward to, and I really can't wait to share with you guys. It's just that travel is still very unsettled right now, so I'm not sharing much of what I anticipate doing with you guys, because until it actually is go time, I don't know if it's going to happen. So there's that. But I feel like I need to talk about some things with you guys because there's only a couple of days left of Vlogtober, and I don't know that I'm going to do Vlogmas this year. I know a couple of you guys have asked, and it's just so busy already during the holiday season. And now that things are kind of up and running again, the kids are back in school and there's activities, and there's hopefully going to be school concerts and plays and shows and just so many fun things. And although those things would be so much fun to share with you guys, they also take out a huge part of my time, which makes it harder to do like what I've been doing this month with the daily vlogging. But we'll see. I've done it altered before, where maybe I'm not sharing every single day, but I'm sharing every few days or weekly, or who knows. I'll address that when the time comes. I know it's so much fun and I do love capturing those memories, but I just don't know if I'm ready to commit. So what else did I want to tell you guys? I think that's it for now, because I'm taking a break here with you guys because I really am procrastinating doing the rest of the laundry. But it's getting late and it's getting dark and I just want to get it done. So yeah, I'm going to get back to that. So for dinner, I got chicken francaise over angel hair pasta and some chicken tortellini soup. Hi, Leo. Were you outside in the rain? Were you guys outside in the rain? Look at how cute you two are. Look at how handsome you two are. All right, you want to come in? Let's go. Go ahead. Go claim your couch. You got all your toys on the couch already? Look at you. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today. It is so cold and windy out. I don't even know, you might be able to hear it. It's crazy tonight. I am so cold, but I'm gonna call it a night. I am really just ready to get in my pajamas and snuggle up with a good book. So that's gonna be it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed coming along, and I will see you in the morning. Good night.